Docusign tutorial. How to use Docusign for beginners. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Docusign. It is an e-signature software platform where you can manage all your forms, you can create templates, you can see the statistics and reports on all your forms, and you can upload your signatures, your initials, and you can easily and quickly sign forms and send them to co-workers, team members. So what you see right over here is the home page. Now the first thing you want to do is go over to the right hand side and we want to click on your profile and we want to say manage profile right over here. Once we say manage profile, it'll open a new window where you can enter in your personal details. So it says manage your personal profile information to control what details are shared with other Docusign users. So right over here, you can upload an image for your profile image. You can also change your name, email address, and the contact information for your company. You can insert your title, your job occupation, your address, and a phone number. Now, once you're done with that, you will get back to this home page. Right over here on the left hand side, you will see that they have already taken your initials and they have created pre-designed signatures for you. They have also created some initial draw-ups for you, and this will allow you to be able to sign your forms without actually having to create your own signature, make your own signature, or upload your own signature. So right on the left hand side, you can see a bunch of different signatures. So we can just choose one that we find appropriate. And on the right, you can see that that is what the initial will look like. Now, once you put your full name right over here, you can actually change that if you'd like. And over there, whatever you type in, it will make a signature accordingly. So this signature now is more appropriate. It's got your surname and the first letter of your first name, and you can change that accordingly to whatever it is that you'd like. You can also change your initials. So perhaps you have a middle name, you can put that middle name's first letter in there. You can also put period signs just in between your letters like that. And if you have a look at this now, it looks more like an initial. And if you have a look at these signatures, this actually looks more like a signature. They offer you quite a few styles, so you can look through that and choose an appropriate one. I'm going to now click on draw, which is just over here. And once you click on this, you will be able to draw your own signature and draw your own initials. Now, once you are on here, you will have to play around a little bit and learn how to do it with your keypad or your mouse pad. And once you have actually mastered your signature and you've put your signature down the way you want it, you can then change your signature to this one over here. You can just tap on create. Then if you have a pre-existing signature that has been used maybe on a different platform, you can just tap on the upload signature and upload initials right over here and over here. And once you've done that, it will then upload and you can then say create and it will create that signature for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just jump back here and say create. And this is now the signature that I've chosen to move forward when creating documents and signing them. If you need to now upload a document, you can just tap on this this start now tab and it'll take you over to this page. So the first thing you want to do is upload a document. You can upload it from your computer. You can use a template which you can create right here on this platform. You can upload it from a number of these drives. So I'm just going to tap desktop and I'm going to upload one piece of document. So this is the document that I've uploaded right over here. So you have some options. You can either apply a template to it, you can replace it, you can download the document again, you can rename it, you can delete it, and then you can open it up to view it. You can also upload an additional document so you can have everything all in one place. Once you're done with that, you can actually scroll down and you can add recipients. So in this section over here, if you are sharing your document with a number of people, you can actually share it straight from the app and not have to use another app to actually share it. So you can also just tap I'm the only signer and it won't give you any recipients options. However, right over here, you can add a recipient and you can just tap in over there. You can add an email address and then you can assign an action. So right over here, it says this person either needs to sign or you require an in-person signer, receives a copy or needs to view. So once you've chosen what you need to do over there, you can then customize some of the options. You can add an access code. So if you want to protect the document, you can do that. And if you want to add a private message, you can do that too. So I'm going to just enter an email address here. And what you can do if you don't want to have the access code on anymore, you can just go to the right hand side and you can just tap delete and it'll remove that access code. So what we have here is the recipient and we can just enter a name over there, and now this person will receive this document and it will tell this person that they need to sign the document. And then you can go down to add message. Now right over here, you can add your subject line of your message. So right here, it's use the document name. You can actually just customize that if you'd like to. And then you can enter your message right over here. So this would be the body of your message. And then you can add a reminder to the email right over there for the person that you are sending it to. Once you have done all that, you can tap on next right at the bottom of the page and you can then move on to the next page. Right over here on this page, you will see that the actual document is now opened and you can now add in where you need your recipient to sign. So you can add a signature, initial, stamp, or a date signed button to this document. You can also add an email, a name, a company, or a title right over here on the left hand side. So you can see that there are a few things that you can add, and once you add these buttons, whoever is receiving this document will then know what to do and where to do it. So instead of putting it in your email, you can now just add it like this. So what we're going to do is, all you have to do is tap on signature and then you drag it and you can drop it wherever you need to drop it. We'll drop it right over there. You can also resize it. So you can make it larger or smaller. And then over on the right hand side, you will actually see a few formatting options. So what you will see here is you can either mark it as a required field or not. And then there is some formatting options. There's some date label you can add on there. There's a tool tip you can add on there. And then you can also add a location. And then you can save it as a custom field once you have customized all of these details. Once you are done, you can just click send on the bottom right hand side, and that document now will go to whoever you need it to be sent to, and they can put in the appropriate information that they need to. So I'm going to go back again to the home page, and here are a few things that you can do on this home page. So you can manage your entire inbox right over here, your entire email address. So you've got your inbox on the left hand side, your sent mails, your drafts, your deleted, all your bulk sends, and your power forms, which are only available in the premium packages. And then we have the quick views right over here. You can add all of this to your page. Once you are done, you can tap on templates in the top of the page, and you will actually be able to create a template. And once you are in this page, you can now customize the template, and you can continue to use this template on reoccurring documents that need to be signed. So it's important to give the template a name right over here, and then you can give the template a description, so whatever it is appropriate to what you need. And then you can upload a document right over here again, and you can also add a recipient, or you can add a group of recipients. You can give them a role or a job task, and then you can also add a message to your document that you are sending, just as we did in the previous page. And once you're done, you can say next on the bottom right hand side, and again it will open up the document. And on the left hand side, you can now customize your document with all of the buttons that you need to add in, and then you can just say save and close, and it will bring you back to your home page, and you will have a template of a document which you can continue using. You don't have to re-enter the information every single time. And that is what this app actually allows you to do. So Docusign makes everything easy for you when you are moving through tons of documents that you have to sign, send to other people, and communicate within a team. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.